How to read Snapchat messages without them knowing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Snapchat, click on chat section at the bottom. Then hold on to the chat you're trying to see and simply hold it and swipe it to the right slowly. Only swipe it half. As you can see, I can see the whole message. You can simply swipe to the left again. And as you can see, I have read the message, but there is still showing new chat. And if you click on it, you'll be able to see messages directly, but in this way, you can simply read Snapchat messages. This is how to read Snapchat messages without them knowing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.